Hey guys, now since we have our game here, you might want to. It's a boring shooter game because all you can really do is move around and shoot bullets. But I think that the shooting bullets part is pretty cool. But we want to actually shoot at something. So actually no, I don't want to go here. Could do that, but we're gonna upload a sprite. I will provide this in the links. Oh, that would be bad. I could do a duplicate, but that just be hard. Because I'm shooting multiple bullets at it. That is. No, that is good. Okay, what we want to look for. Looks like that. Yes, okay. He sort of looks like a bee, but he's like a little tiny evil robot guy that does not look very good. But he's what we have now. Actually, let's just. I'll try and find my little zombie that I made. Okay. Sorry about this, I'm just having really bad time with this. How about we just... No. Let's want to do something. Okay, there we go. Now we have our zombie. Or actually, he's a murderer because he's got that little knife in his hand. We're gonna make him bigger, about 120, so he is actually scale with this other guy here, and we're gonna make him move around in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I will show you basically how to make him, well, do anything like that. Get hurt and all that. So now we gotta, let's see, okay. Right now, all he's doing is this. So, and we can't do anything. He doesn't do anything. So what we want to do, basically like the bullet, we want to, when click, or want to go, actually, let's just check out this guy. Yeah, one click forever if he has okay, so we want to go, we want to grab a hide block so that he hides when clicked. So this is still not there. But now, when clicked hide, and then let's add like a little block like this, forever, 1 second, and then the clone of myself. So basically that's going to create clones of them, but you cannot see it because they're hiding. So now what we want to do, this is actually going to be a long time, so let's put that up to 3, because 1 second you're going to have hordes of zombies, but if you want it to be like a Mission Impossible game, then yeah, 5, just regular. Okay, now we're going to go to control, so we can get a one-eye start as a clone. Okay, now we want to go to looks and show. So this is seriously all it's gonna do is after 3 seconds there's gonna be all you'll see is 1, but that's because when I start as a clone, I'm gonna go to X, X, whatever this is, and then go the looks or no, operators. Pick random for the y-axis. And then let's just this shift block. Let's go. Let's just. This is how you start to test the y. So minus 134. So let's just go 134 and minus 134. So now we have our thing here. But now we want it to do something forever. And keep forever. Move 10 steps. And point towards Gunner. And also we want to make these guys much slower because they're gonna hold you. See? See, they're very slow. No. They are coming towards you. But as you can see, how they move around like that is because you need to go to costumes. And see how they're so far off. That is why they are moving so badly. They're not. And also they're moving way too fast. So let's go move 0.9 steps. Try that. That's pretty good. That's awesome. Okay, we have our first little game. We have our first little thing here, and I think it's going pretty well. But now we want to go. Let's just make a little thing, adding for it forever. And let's try and make it. See if this works. Oh, not the forever block. We want the if then block. If then, let's just try and make. I don't know if this will work because I might have to use the tutorial, but it might be a lot of other coding, but it probably won't. Now we have to do if touching bullets. I just want to see what this will do if we go duplicate. And paint and fill, change this to a dark red, like that. So let's just go, let's change this to hurt. This to fine. So now we have our little costumes. This will be when he's hurt, and this will be when he's fine. Okay. If touching bullet, then first what we want him to do is looks, switch costume to hurt. And then switch costume to fine, so that it does this. And then